Today, shooting the Smith & Wesson 5.7. Let's see what this little puppy's got. Ooh, man. That's a sweet little gun right there. How y'all doing today? This is Samuel, Crossing Rivers Leather Works. Today, had a really fun tour right here. They just came out with these about maybe, I believe about a year ago. It's a 5.7X28. You have a 22 round magazine, all metal, and very sweet shooting little gun right there. No recoil, and you're basically shooting a 223 short. You get 22 Magnum rifle ballistics out of a pistol, a semi-auto pistol. And as you can see, it is very good at wreaking havoc. We've got one survivor down there. I don't think he's gonna last though. So I've got a spare mag here somewhere. Let's just go ahead and get him out of the way, shall we? Just go ahead and take him out, and then we'll talk about the gun a little bit more. Dang it. There we go. As you can see, very sweet shooting gun, as I said. I'll let that cool off here a minute. And it shoots this little round. It's a 5.7X28. The ammo we were shooting first off was the blue tip polymer tip, like the varmint rounds, varmint and defense rounds, I believe, 40 grain bullet. And what we're going to be using for the rest of the video is American Eagle 40 grain full metal jackets. First impressions on this gun, I shot one of them fairly soon after they came out. I will say, for me, the only thing that really gets me about the gun is how thin this grip is. As you can see, it's pretty thin, but it's wide, so it almost feels like a 1911 with the grip panels taken off to me. It's a very thin gun. It's very lightweight. You can carry this for all day. Pretty much forget that you got it on you. It's very comfortable. So we were using the thumb brake holster. I make these as well. If you need any holsters or mag pouches for these little things, just hit me up. My gunbroker page is in my YouTube biography. So how about we move on to something a little else? It's getting that time for pumpkin carving this year, so let's see if we can put a face on a pumpkin, shall we? So, as you can see, that 5.7 round, especially with those polymer tips, just produces absolute mayhem on impact. So, we don't have any more of the polymer tips. We've just got the 40 grain American Eagle full metal jackets. Stepped up a little bit closer. Let's see if we can give this pumpkin a face. I'm shooting a little low. Okay. So, I guess it kind of looks like he's screaming. So, I mean, doesn't really look that happy. See what the oh man, that looks better than the other side. Oh man, that definitely looks terrifying. So I'm gonna save that pumpkin. You're definitely gonna want to watch till the end. Got something special, but before that, we're going to compare the recoil impulse of the 5.7 to a 9mm. You're gonna want to see this. This is a really good selling point for the 5.7. All right, we're loaded back up with the 40 grain full metal jackets. I want you to notice how little the muzzle rises on this thing. Double taps, no problem. Now, let's compare that to a 9mm. And for that, we're using the Sky CPX2 9mm. Now, watch the difference on this. Quite a difference. Now, 5.7 one-handed. No issue. So if you have, say if you have weak wrists, say you injured it in a Frisbee tournament championship back in 2006, it never really fully healed. This may be the pistol for you. There is high capacity. You have immediate energy dump with the polymer tip rounds. There is not really any drawbacks to this gun. The only thing that I will say, you have to kind of force in a fully loaded magazine just because of all the spring pressure. But it's no issue if you have the slide lock back, put one in, and then drop the first one. You have no issue then. It's putting a full mag in on a closed slide. That's the main issue. But got a couple pumpkins that need destroyed, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's have a little fun with that, shall we? All right, we got one more thing. All heard of smashing pumpkins? Now I'll introduce you to my favorite band, Tannerite pumpkins. Oh, the carnage. Well, hope you had fun watching the video. I certainly had fun making the video. As always, y'all have fun. Stay safe. If you need any leather work, let me know. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Get outside, touch some grass, and stack some brass. See y'all later.